Hiya, I'm Tara. I'm a Boots beauty specialist and I'm here to show you some of the free makeup services that we have to offer in store, and today I'm going to be doing a lip demonstration. Hiya, so what sort of lip did you want to go for today?
So I'm looking to get a red lip done today. I'm going to a Christmas party, so I feel like that's going to be the best one to go for.
Yeah, perfect. Excited. So I'll show you a couple of the products that we have that will give you that perfect red lip. So we're going to start with this Kylie Skin lip scrub. It smells gorgeous, feels gorgeous, and especially in winter when your lips tend to get more dry, it's going to really help give you that like smooth base for when you're applying that red lip. So if you want to just smell that,
That's lovely.
it is stunning. So you only need the tiniest little amount, pop it on your lips. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go in with the matte Prep and Prime. So when you do your foundation, do you tend to use primer?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so you do that because it makes it last longer, it makes it sit nicer. This is going to do the exact same thing for your lips. It is just an amazing product and it gives you that something for your lipstick to sit on top of, so it looks smoother, especially now we've exfoliated the lips. A small layer of this. Does it feel like you've got a really thin layer of something on your lips? Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Perfect. So next we're going to go in with this Huda Beauty lip contour lip liner. It's a super creamy pencil. It applies gorgeously. It will blend really easily when we apply the red lip. And what you can do with this as well is you can slightly bring it up into the rest of your lip, so then when you apply the rest of the lip product, you can blend it out really easily and it doesn't seem like you've got a red line and the lip product. So now we're going to go in with this NARS Power Matte Lipstick. It's super creamy, it's not drying like some other lipsticks can be. It's a really hydrating product and it gives you that perfect red pigment. So we're going to literally straight onto your lip, and you can see already that just applies so easily, so quickly, so creamy, looks gorgeous, blends so well with that Huda lip liner as well. Does it feel drying at all on your lips?
No.
Super hydrated.
Really nice.
That looks gorgeous. We do have a couple of different options. I've brought over a Clarins lip oil, and this is gorgeous. It's a really sheer shade, so it's not going to give you any extra colour because we don't want to take away from the colour that you've got on already. All it's going to do is going to give you that slight gloss and that extra hydration, especially in the winter. Or, especially because I know you said you're going to a Christmas party, we've got the No. 7 Lip Glaze, and this is gorgeous. It's really glittery, looks stunning on the lips. It just adds that little bit of extra for that Christmas event. So it's completely up to you which one you wanted to go for.
I'd love to go for the glitter one, please.
Yeah. Okay, so this lip glaze, it's going to give you that proper Christmas sparkle glow. It looks gorgeous over the top of this red lip. Actually stunning. There we go. And to be honest with you, you could have stopped just with the matte lip if you wanted to just wear a matte lip. This is just something extra, obviously because you're going to your Christmas party, just to add on. It looks gorgeous on you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just finish with this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is the vitamin C version, so it's going to give you that extra glow. It keeps your makeup on for up to 16 hours of wear, so if you did your makeup earlier in the day and then you've got an event in the evening, it's perfect. If you just close your eyes for me, it's going to keep your makeup lasting longer, especially for the Christmas party. So we've got the Prep and Prime from MAC underneath, this over the top. Your lip's going to last you all night long and you're going to have a wonderful time at your Christmas party.
Thank you very much.
Bye.